Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GTC. And in my earlier videos, I have been telling you that soon GTC can break out a very big down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video, by the way. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally it has reached the resistance. But so far it is not able to break out this long-term down channel. And by the way, before that, we have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GTC that I shared a few days ago, almost 6 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 28% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for GTC that I shared on almost 6 days ago on 8th of January 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that GTC formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss as well. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone. And so far, it has pumped almost 28%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bad move that was formed with US dollar, not with US dollar pair, with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And I shared this idea on 3rd of December 2023 in the previous month. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 15% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of GTC. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that previously since after the month of September 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. And while moving inside this wedge, it also started forming this down channel as well. And now we have left the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, but could not break out the resistance of this down channel for the past 2 or 3 weeks. You can see that the price line is moving at this resistance of the channel. And I'm expecting that soon it can break this resistance out. If I place another trend line here at this support here, and you can see that here we also have another resistance approximately at $1.20 that was previously working as a support here and resistance here for several weeks and also resistance here as well. And you can see that right now the price line is also trying to break out this resistance of $1.20 as well. Now, if we take a look at the targets, once the price line will be able to break out this channel, this smaller down channel, and the target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $3.50. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, and that breakout is already happened on the 7 days time frame chart. And that target is here at the top of the wedge, that is between $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.